today we're doing a video. Today's video we have a blue car in front, then my auntie's car, and then we've got a mini car behind me waiting. That is crazy.
Alright.
Alright.
Don't say, does it? Oh, that's my change anyway, so it is $6.99.
Right.
Yeah.
Sarah?
Yeah.
We've got a car behind you waiting.
No.
And that is a mini car waiting.
Is it?
Well, look behind you. Look
It's
through
a bit
windscreen.
narrow, this, isn't it? This car wash. Is it narrow or is it me?
No, I think it's you. Sarah,
yeah.
Look through windscreen, that's a mini car.
Not a nice colour though, is it? Green. Right, let me take the thing off.
Yeah.
Have you turned the engine off?
No, you turned it off. That's going to make it crazy now.
Bloody warning here. And we'll get extra, won't we?
Yeah.
Extra blowing.
Are you moving up to code box?
No, not yet, not till she's done. Make sure I put windows up and all.
Who's in that car behind? Is there a master?
A man and a boy outside him.
Good job the mini car went in this front bit.
Have you got my phone?
Yeah, I stopped it while this car's done.
And then are you going to get out?
Yeah, and then you're going to press numbers in.
Yeah.
Well, so if she's going to be done with dry or she might be done, I don't know. I'm just waiting not to be sure. No, she's like she's done to me.
Who's that?
She's not paid for a dry. Mini car's behind. Yeah, it is done. Now, Sarah, I need to get out first.
No, you don't.